हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ISPCS सिंप्लीफाइड। और इस लेक्चर में हम देखते हैं नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल अपॉइंटमेंट्स। नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल अपॉइंटमेंट को देखते हैं जो कि 2021 और 22 में किया गया है इंडिया और इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ नेशनल अपॉइंटमेंट फर्स्ट। नेशनल अपॉइंटमेंट स्टार्ट्स विथ पिनाकी चंद्रा घोष। पिनाकी चंद्रा घोष इज द इंडियाज फर्स्ट लोकपाल। पिनाकी चंद्रा घोष इज द इंडियाज फर्स्ट लोकपाल। जनरल बिपिन रावत, इंडियाज फर्स्ट CDS। नृत्य गोपाल दास, he is the president Ram Janmabhoomi Trust. Nritya Gopal Das is the president of Ram Janmabhoomi Trust. Vishal V Sharma is the permanent representative of UNESCO. Vishal V Sharma is the permanent representative of UNESCO. RS Sharma is the CEO Ayushman Bharat Scheme. Atul Dinkar Rane is the CEO and MD BrahMos Aerospace. Atul Dinkar Rane is the CEO and MD of BrahMos Aerospace. Amir Subhani is the Chief Secretary of Bihar, Government of Bihar. Amir Subhani is the Chief Secretary of Government of Bihar. A.K. Sikri is the Chairman of Chardham Project Committee. Chardham Project Committee. A.K. Sikri is the Chairman of Chardham Project Committee. Babita Singh is the new Global Peace Ambassador 2022. Babita Singh, new Global Peace Ambassador 2022. Pradeep Kumar Mohanty, he is the Lokpal of India. N.J. Ojha, he is the Lokpal Manrega. Ruchira Kamboj is the permanent representative of India to UN. This is very important question. Ruchira Kamboj is the permanent representative of India to UN. Now moving further, Akash Ambani. Akash Ambani is the chairman of Reliance Jio. Is appointed as the chairman of Reliance Jio. T. Raja Kumar is appointed as the chairman Financial Action Task Force FATF. T. Raja Kumar is appointed as the chairman of Financial Action Task Force FATF. R. Dinesh is appointed as the president Confederation of Indian Industry CII. R. Dinesh is appointed as the president of the Confederation of Indian Industry, it's CII. Sanjay Kumar is the CMD Railtel. Railtel is a small PSU working for the Indian Railways for the connectivity for the internet. Vinit Saran is appointed as the BCCI Ethics Officers and Lokpal. Vishwanath Anand is the Vice President of FIDE, Federation International de. Indrajit Kaimotra is the CEO of Unity Small Finance Bank. Sweta Singh is appointed as the Director of PMO. Satyendra Prakash is the DG Press Information Bureau PIB. Utpal Kumar Singh is appointed as the CEO of the Sansad TV. Adil Sumariwala is now appointed as the President of Indian Olympic Association. Saji Prabhakaran has been appointed as the GS General Secretary of All India Football Confederation. R. Venkatramani is the 16th Attorney General of India. R. Venkatramani is appointed as the 16th Attorney General of India. Kalyan Chaube is the President of All India Football Confederation. Now moving to the next appointment, Vanessa Nakte has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador of UNICEF. Dilip Turki is appointed as the President of Hockey India. Dr. Rajiv Behel has been appointed as the DG of Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR. K. Raja Prasad Reddy appointed as the President of Indian Newspaper Society. Rajendra Kumar has been appointed as the DG ESIC. Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan has been appointed as the Chief of Defence Staff CDS 2nd after General Bipin Rawat. Ajay Bhadu has been appointed as the Deputy Election Commissioner. Pankaj Tripathi, the eminent actor, has been appointed as the National Icon Election Commission of India. Anish Dayal Singh has been appointed as the Director General ITBP, Indo-Tibetan Border Force. Sanjeev Kapoor has been appointed as the DG Indian Ordnance Factory. Ordnance Factory is the mainly a PSUs that works for ordnance making, like for arms making, for any experiment, for any development or redevelopment of the arms. D.Y. Chandrachud is the new Chief Justice of India. He is the 15th Chief Justice of India. Roger Binney has been appointed as the President of BCCI. He is the 36th President of BCCI. Mallikarjun Kharge is the president of Congress. Giridhar Armane is the defense secretary. Sanjay Malhotra is the revenue secretary. Bharti Das is the controller general of accounts, CGA. She is the 27th CGA. Sangeeta Verma has been appointed as the acting head of competition commission, CC. Now, this is all about the national appointment 2021-22. Now move further for the international appointment. Now, internationally, Padma Lakshmi has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador of UNDP, United Nations Development Programme. Soumya Swaminathan has been appointed as the Chief Scientist of WHO, World Health Organization. Anita Bhatia has been appointed as the Deputy Executive Director of UN Women. Okay. Ansula Kant, she has been appointed as CFO, World Bank. Suman Kumari is the first Hindu woman judge, Pakistan. Suman Kumari is the first Hindu woman judge of Pakistan. Okay. Joe Biden is the president of America. He is the 46th president of America. Okay. Now Kamala Harris is the vice president of America. She is of Indian origin. Okay. Michael Bloomberg is the climate ambassador of United Nations. Now Joya Agrawal is the women's spokesperson at United Nations. Okay. Joya Agrawal is the woman spokesperson at United Nations. Now S. Ramchandra Gulwani is the first Hindu woman civil servant, Pakistan. Moving further. Najla Baudan Ramdane is the first female Prime Minister of Tunisia. Okay. Dalna Anderson is the first female Prime Minister of Sweden. Anderson is the first female Prime Minister of Sweden. Professor Bimal Patel is the Chairman International Law Commission. He has been appointed as the Chairman of the International Law Commission. Ulf Scholz is the Chancellor of Germany. Okay. Aisa Malik is the Pakistani's first woman Supreme Court judge. Okay. Geeta Gopinath is the first Deputy Managing Director of Indian International Monetary Fund, IMF. Pierre Oliver Gourinchas is the Chief Economist, IMF. Xiomara Castro is the first female president, Honduras. Katalin Novak is the first female president, Hungary. Shahbaz Sharif is the 23rd Prime Minister of Pakistan. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan is the President of United Arab Emirates, UAE. Moving further, Anwar Hussain Sheikh is the Chairman of World Trade Organization Committee. Satish Pai is the President of International Aluminium Institute. Rawaf Fatima has been appointed as the Under Secretary General, UN. Indermeet Gill has been appointed as the Chief Economist of World Bank. Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has been appointed as the President of the Philippines. Moving further. Now, Sheikh Mohammed Sahab Al Salem is the Prime Minister of Kuwait. Bajram Begaj has been appointed as the President of Albania. K. Subramaniam has been appointed as the Executive Director for India at International Monetary Fund. William Ruto has been appointed as the President of Kenya. Simon Steele is the UN Climate Chief, has been appointed as the UN Climate Chief. And James Marep is the Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea. Anna Brnabic has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Serbia. Charles III is the King of UK. Mohammed bin Salman has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia. Okay, moving further. Giorgia Meloni has been appointed as the first woman PM of Italy. Magdalena Andersson is the first female Prime Minister of Sweden. Suella Braverman is the Home Secretary, United Kingdom. Suella Braverman is the Home Secretary of United Kingdom. Volker Turk is the HC for Human Rights, United Nations. Captain Abraham Toure is the President of Burkina Faso. Abdul Latif Rashid is the President of Iraq. Ulf Kristersson is the Prime Minister of Sweden. Rishi Sunak is the Prime Minister of UK and he is the 50. He is appointed as the 57th Prime Minister of United Kingdom. So this is all about national and international appointments in the world and in India of 2021 and 22. I am using Speedy for this.